Okay, so this is 7,4 and 7,5 example. These are dealing with ions. Okay, so ammonium ion and sulfate ion. So first thing we need to draw the right formula. So ammonium ion, just FYI, is NH4 plus. It is a positive ion. Sulfate ion is SO4 2 minus. Okay, so we're going to do the counts on each of these. So let me zoom in here. We have 1 nitrogen, 4 hydrogens, and because it's a positive ion, we're gonna subtract 1 electron from the total amount. Okay, nitrogen has 5 electrons because it's in group 5. Hydrogen has 1, and there's 4 of them there. And so here we have 9 minus 1. We have 8 electrons that we need to account for. Okay, because nitrogen is in lesser amount and because hydrogen cannot be an outside atom, we're going to put nitrogen in the middle. We're going to put our hydrogens around. And we're going to make our bonds between them. Okay, each line represents 2 electrons being shared between nitrogen and hydrogen. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And that concluded all 8 of the electrons allowed to give. So the only thing we need to do here now is put brackets and a plus, and this would be our charge, or our structure. Okay, let's try sulfate real quick. SO4 2 minus, so once again we're going to count 1 S, 4 O's. Now because it's a negative ion, which means that I've added, I'm going to add 2 electrons to the total. Sulfur's in group 6, oxygen's in group 6. This is 24. So I have a total of 32 electrons that I have to account for. Okay, so sulfur's in the middle. I distribute my oxygens around. I'm going to make my initial bonds. This represents 2 electrons being shared between sulfur and oxygen, each of them. Right now, that's 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons of my 32, so I'm going to subtract 8. You get 24. Okay, we distribute the remaining electrons to our outside atoms first. Okay, so each oxygen to fill its octet would need an additional 6. So we're going to put them as pairs around oxygen. And then we're going to go back and double check that we've used all 32. So, ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. We've used all 32 electrons. Okay, because this is an ion, the only thing left we have to do is put brackets around it and the charge.